Welcome back. In this video lesson, I will show you how you can create mobile app for your online store. Believe it or not, this is a video which I can explain in just 15 seconds. Yes, actually 15 seconds, but I am going to make it a little bit longer so that you understand what you are getting and what you are privilege you have when you choose Shopify your online store. So let's start the traditional way of getting a mobile app for Android and iOS. It takes $5,000 at least. Alright, to hire a developer or to create a professional app, on the top of that you have to pay the maintenance fee per month or per year, and it also requires you have to Play Store and the App Store development account. And lastly, you need to contact the developer in case you want to modify the app design. So you need someone with you to make sense as the app to remove any bugs and stuff. Alright. But with Shopify, you don't need to go through any of this one. With Shopify, you can create a mobile app without using a Shopify app. So I am just going to show you with this magical app in a moment. It comes at the $99 per month fee, which is really low compared to how you will develop an app in a traditional way. So you don't need to hire anyone, and designing the app is same as the customizing the home base and customizing the product face, which you have learned in the previous video. And see how simple it is. You can customize the look of your app anytime you want. It will be published both in the App Store and the Play Store, but I will not recommend you to straight upgrade this app if you are just starting out. I recommend it if you are hitting the 5k per month in a revenue consistently. If you are at this point, you can create an app and app will generate more revenue. So think of it this way. You are spending $99 per month on this app, and this app can make you back money. It is more traffic to your online store, and you can make like $500 or maybe in term of thousand. So think about this good, and it is an investment. So now let me go into the Shopify dashboard, install this app and show you the process. The process is gonna be really simple. It is the installing the app which you have already did, and customizing this app, and you already did. Customizing the home base, product base is the same thing right now. I will show you how to need to know for this one. Just install the app, customize it, and boom, you got an amazing app for your online store. So I am here in the Shopify dashboard. Let's get the app. So I am just going to click on this app and set this setting, and then there I am going to click on customize your store, select my account. Once you are in the Shopify app store, and once you have this search, and it is a Z versus row enter, and that is bingo. Here is the app which you can see get your mobile app ready in less than 60 minutes. This is the app 5-star rating from 1278 users as of now. Let's click on this. As you can see, it starts from this $99 a month, and you can customize your app in a way you want. It doesn't have to be the same look with your Shopify store. This app can look entirely different. It's up to you. Alright, so let's just get this app right now. I'm going to click on this app. Alright, once we are here, as you can see here, instead of saying install this app, it say add this sales center. So this is the app work as a sales center. So you can use your store so where people buy. This is the call the sales center, and this is app is the any other sales center. So this is any other platform where people can buy your product. Alright, this is an app which you work as well center. I am just going to click on the add seller center. By the way, don't let it confuse. So it's just going to name app the seller center. I have nothing to do with anything. Alright, so this work as the seller center. So here you can see this app come with the right here under the sales style section. Instead of app, other than that, everything is the same. There is no different. Alright, so setup and all. This is the task part. Now let's set this up. Industry type, let's say if there is an operator, doesn't matter. I'm just going to select whatever it is. How did you find others? It doesn't matter. Let's just going to continue. Here we are, even though you don't know how to create the app, they are providing the services, and they are saying this will build your app in 60 minutes, and if they fail to do, they will provide a 90-day free trial. That crazy. Alright, so that is, I know you get someone from your team to set up your app, and if you want to do it, you can customize your own way. This app is a game changer. You are going to get a professional mobile app in a very short period of time, and that's going to be a completely professional integrated perfectly with your Shopify store. That is for this video lesson. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share this video to your friends, and subscribe the YouTube channel Get E-Commerce. I will see you guys in my next video.